Hey guys, this is a small video on how should I start Angular, and it's better if you are going to any YouTube channel. It's better if you first go through this small course provided by the Angular, which is a free course of 2.5 hours, and which is a very step-by-step introduction of how we can start working on the Angular framework. So why I'm saying you to go through this course, because it provides you some basics, like how we should go, what are the tables of the content, which they this um, video is based on, and to the point things like ng4, ngf, classes, style, switch, built-in pipes, and how to use uh, what should I say, the JSON file, how to import data from JSON file, HTTP server, built-in pipes, what are built-in pipes, what are async pipes, some custom pipes, injectable services, HTTP clients. And this is a small video. This small videos of maximum of 2.5 hours will give you a kickstart in starting a journey of how we can start working or start learning the Angular, and what are some of the headings you can go through. Like, what are the headings you can see that like here you can see the Angular ng4, ngif, else operator, ng class, ng style, ng switch, some built-in pipes, like how we can use built-in pipes. uh, Built-in pipes are basically used for you can say format document, or format a string, or you can say format a date. It can even use for JSON files and much more. Some injectables, like how we can import the data from JSON file from using HTTP server, and there is a HTTP clients, and much more. For beginner, it's better if you could just go through these small videos. It's not much more than average of 5 to 6 minutes, I can say. It's not greater than 7 minutes for now, but I prefer if you could go through this small section on how we can start learning, and that that will give you a small boost on how things are working and reading the code much more easily and much more better way. So thank you guys, I hope you like this video. Please like, share and comment, and I am looking forward to see. If you are facing any issues in Angular, then please comment down, and I will try to solve this question, this any issue you are facing within a day or 2 days. So thank you so much guys, hope I see you around.